Hello everyone. In this tutorial you will learn how to make perfect rectangle or make your panels. This way you can make straight panels without the sides bulging outward. Make a slip knot and crochet 15 chains. For making chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over again and pull through the loop. Now start a first row of half double crochet. Into the second chain 1, 2, make a first half double crochet. Yarn over, insert a hook into the second chain stitch, hold the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through chain. Now 3 loops are present on hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops together. Yarn over again, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. These are the stitches 1, 2, 3. Make half double crochet stitch till the end of the row. There will be total of 15 stitches in each row. Now the first row is done. For starting second row, chain 2, this chain 2 will be considered as the first stitch for the second row. Now into the very first stitch make half double crochet. On the end of the second row, this is where the last stitch will be made. This is the very first stitch we made at the beginning of the first row. Chain 2 again and make the third row. The number of stitches should be same in all rows. If you have more number of stitches than the first row, then you have added extra stitches. It looks like this, and if you will add more rows, the corners will not bulge out. You can count the stitches in every row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15.